changing the forecast. I just woke up in Dior tags. Walk in the store in Dior splash. We getting chicken like DoorDash. Remember I couldn't afford that.
No cap. No bat. Welcome back, YouTube. Listen, welcome back, JI family. Welcome back to another extremely lit vlog, y'all. Before we start, shout out to everybody that's part of Naughty Gang. If you're part of Naughty Gang, drop that Naughty Gang down in the comments and let me know if you're part of Naughty Gang, bro. Y'all already know we're extremely lit. No cat. Listen, so today we are gonna be doing an oil change on the YZ250F for the first time, you feel me? I forgot to tell you guys this, like, when you buy a bike off of an owner and not out the store, that's like the first thing you guys want to do is take all those fluids out and put all new fluids in your bike, you feel me? So you know, like, for sure that your bike is good, you feel me? So today we're gonna be doing the oil change on the YZ250F. I am running this right here. I'm running this Yamaha 10W40. You feel me? I also got a air filter. Well, I said air filter. Oh! Oil filter. My fault. It's Friday. Happy Friday, y'all. I actually got two of these, so whenever I need to change the oil again, we'll change it. You feel me? Also got this big thing of Yamaha, so we're gonna be doing an oil change today. I have to start her up. Before you guys do your oil change, make sure you warm your bike up. It's just easier for the oil to come out of the bike, you feel me? So I'm gonna set you guys down. We're gonna start the bike up, and then we are gonna start this oil change, you feel me? So let me set y'all down real quick. No cat. Uh-oh. Yo, I'm not gonna lie though, y'all. We had some good weather this week. I ain't gonna lie. Yes, sir. Alright, you guys, so now that we got the bike warmed up and all that, we are going to let this oil out, y'all. Let me set y'all down real quick. Y'all know the vibes. If you guys got a YZ250F, the drain bolt is a size 12. Just so you guys remember. Got that joint loose. Right. Size 12, y'all. I'm gonna bring y'all a little bit closer though, so y'all can see what's going on. I think I could do this with one hand. I'm not sure. Y'all see that drain bolt though? Let me see. Y'all see it right there? That's the drain bolt. Size 12, y'all. I see the oil coming out. Come on. Doing this with one person is kind of hard. In one hand, like, I don't got my cramming man today. He at school, I think. He's still in school. I don't know. I think so. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Mama Jama. Look at that oil. This oil was pretty black. Ain't gonna cat. Look at that drawing. It's not too bad though. I'm gonna set you guys down for a second so I can wipe my hands off. So we are just gonna wait for that to drain. Right up out of there. You guys gotta lean your bike sometimes. y'all. We still gotta take that oil filter off too though. So there's gonna be more that comes out. This way. This joint. This joint crazy. This joint way heavier than my buck and a quarter was. I ain't even go cat. And up front though, y'all, I love this bike. No cat. We gotta give her a bath. Like, she dirty. She dirty. Today would have been a perfect day. I should have just did it today. I ain't even cat. But I'm gonna finish draining this out, and then we are gonna take the oil filter off because it's kind of hard to record and do this. So now that we got the oil drained out, just wipe this joint off real quick and screw her back in. It's the drain bolt. Make sure y'all clean the drain bolt off. Make sure you don't put it in there crooked. You could strip it. Make sure it goes in there straight. You feel me? I know the vibes. I don't even know how much this calls for. Doesn't even say it on the engine. Ain't that a bummer? I'm gonna have to look that up. That sucks. Don't over tighten your drain bolt either. It will strip. Just enough so it's nice and snug. You feel me? Put a little bit more in there. Alright, yeah, that's good. Alright, got the oil drained out of there. Now we are gonna take this oil filter off. You feel me? Okay. Got this brand new sockets, and these joints is mad hard to come off, bro. Like, these joints don't want to pop off. Like, I don't know what's going on. Alright, it's coming. I got it. Yes, sir. We're gonna put this bowl right back right here real quick, cause there's gonna be oil that comes out of this. So you guys pay attention. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all real quick on this oil filter. That's the oil filter right here. My coolant in here is pretty much good, so we ain't gotta worry about that right now. I already checked that, but oil, definitely want to get rid of that oil right there. She was looking black. She was looking black. Alright. Gotta be extremely careful with this. I know there's gonna be oil. Yes, sir. Like I said, it's gonna be oil, y'all. You see that oil? We're gonna just wipe that off, though. Don't worry. No worries, no worries, no worries. Get this oil filter up out of there. I don't know how these oil filters are supposed to look, but we got brand new ones, so this is what this one looks like. I don't know if y'all can see. I'll hit the autofocus for y'all. Y'all see this oil filter? I don't know what these joints are supposed to look like when they're bad, but we got brand new ones, so we're gonna swap that joint out for sure. We're gonna wipe this off, man. Whoopsie. Oh yeah, after you take that oil filter out, make sure y'all wipe inside your oil thing. I don't know what you guys want to call it. I don't know the name for everything. Trey just know what he doing. You feel me? That's it. I just know what I'm doing. I honestly hate working on bikes, but gotta know how to do these things, y'all. So you ain't gotta depend on the shop or anybody else. Waste your money or nothing. Take some time to learn. Oh, bro. That new oil filter right here, y'all. Hit the autofocus for y'all, though. Yes, sir. I don't think you could put these on backwards. You can't put these oil filters on backwards because look, this side is like covered and it only goes on one way, so they can't go on backwards. Oh yeah, make sure you guys inspect your oil ring around your little thing. Make sure ain't nothing wrong with it. This one's still good, so we Gucci gravy, y'all. Let's wipe this off though. You feel me? Alright. Simple oil change, y'all. Simple oil change. We gotta wash our baby up though. No cap. Oh, no cap. Man, dropping things. Always remember, don't over tighten your stuff, y'all. You feel me? You do not want to strip anything on your case. You're gonna have to buy a new one. So once it feels tight, that's it. That's good right there. Yep, right there. That's it. Alright, y'all. We done with that. Let's get the oil put in here. We need 25.3 fluid ounces. This is 18 right here. And I am gonna put I'm gonna put like a little bit more just because I be willing. And all the engine goes to the back. I mean, I said all the engine. All the oil goes to the back. So I'm gonna put like a little bit more. Just like a little bit extra, you know what I mean? That's 18, we need 7.3 more. So we needed 7.3 fluid ounces more, but I put 8. Like I said, I'm gonna put like a little bit more, you know what I mean? Just to be on the safe side. Then we're gonna start her up again and let her run, y'all. Alright, that's it. Oops. You can just hand tighten your cap. You ain't gotta go too crazy. And now we are, I think we're set. Running. I think that's pretty much it for the oil change on here. So yes sir, yes sir. I wish we could have took her out today, but I mean it is what it is, you feel me? Oh yeah, look at this, y'all. Oh, broken already. Look at this, broken already. The crazy thing about it is I didn't even do it. But we got a new one coming, but it is what it is. That's just, look at that. Come on, we just got the bike, bro. That don't make no sense, bro. I didn't even do that. On top of that, I didn't do that. I did not do that, JDR family. I promise you guys that. The clutch lever broke already. And Trey didn't even do it. I didn't even get a chance to break anything on my bike. Nonsense. But listen, though, y'all. We extremely lit. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button, you feel me? Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see y'all niggas in the next vlog. Because we extremely lit. No cap.